Here at Overdevest Nurseries, we're continually on the quest for superior performing varieties. Varieties that we know are going to put on a good show and put up with the conditions that we have here in the Northeastern Mid-Atlantic states. Varieties that you can plant that will give you good long display and not have to be mollycoddled, or in the case of roses, having to be sprayed, say, every 10 days. That's a troublesome, tiresome and unpleasant task. So if we can find varieties that are going to be able to perform well in your garden without having to do that, well, we're taking a lot of interest in that. And this is a variety that's called Rose Kolorscape Milano that we've been evaluating now over the last 5 or 6 years, and during that time we've found this to be an excellent performer. A variety that gets to about 3 foot high by about the same wide. It starts to flower now in the early summer, comes out with these beautiful bright velvet scarlet flowers that are semi-double and are carried in profusion all over the extremities of the plant. You'll see that it's got lots of buds here that are just waiting to break forward. It's a variety that during that time we found that you can quite literally plant outside and not have to worry about it. You don't even have to worry about deadheading it. It is what they call self-cleaning. That means that it doesn't set hips, so therefore keeps on flowering from late spring or early summer all the way through to the frost of the autumn. It's a variety that you can plant if you've only got space for one rose and you're going to get a terrific display on. It's a variety that if you want, you could go in and clip some of these stems and bring in and put in a vase inside the house. Or if you have room, it's a variety that you could plant out, say, on a sloping hillside or in beds, anywhere where you're going to be able to enjoy these gorgeous, bright, velvet red flowers. Raised in Germany by one of the oldest rose companies in the world, that's Cordis Roses. This variety was hybridized in 2001, and it really is an excellent performer that we know is going to do very well for you in your garden. This is Rose Kolorscape Milano.